Got the tires coming. They just got here. So guys, we're gonna finally get mounted up. The tires just made it. There they go. All right, YouTube, we in there. They just dropped off the 26s. We went with the Zena tires. So they here, guys. They here. So it's about to go down. It's only a matter of time now. So I ordered some new tire sensors to go with the new wheels. So I'm waiting on those to come to get here. They'll be here around April. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. There it is. So this is what they're gonna look like. I got them kind of sitting next to the truck, because I was curious as to what that gap was gonna look like after they got on there. Man, they look good. I'm very pleased with this tire. It took me a minute to do my research and figure out which tire I was gonna go with, but I'm super pleased with it. Super pleased. Y'all stay tuned. The mount up is coming soon.